Hey guest, and welcome back to the Rodgers House. And today I am super excited to be showing you my black and white mini series finale of my eat-in kitchen. This just kind of morphed into a little mini series, but on Friday I showed you how I decorated my corner shelf in black and white with a little bit of greenery. On yesterday I showed you my summer safari tablescape, and today I am showing you my cutting edge cupboard. So I'll show you how I started off styling it, and then I did a few more embellishments, so I'll give you a little second look. I'll let you enjoy the video to music. So guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing my black and white mini series, and if you didn't get a chance to see the two previous videos, I will link those down in my description box so that you can go over and see what or how I styled the entire area. So if this is your first time visiting, welcome, and I hope you'll consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning visitor, thank you so much for all your love and support. And if you guys don't mind, if you'll please give me a big thumbs up, it really helps my channel to grow. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded more videos. And I want to thank you all for visiting the Rodgers House.